understand you by the process of your learning. Here are some materials in my hand. Here is pictures bundle and the other hand is a bundle of words. What will we do? हमको क्या करना? What will we do? हमको क्या करना होगा? It's just very simple and very easy. You have do very easily. First of all, I will show you. I will understand you about the process and about the preparation of that game. In this game, we will execute, we will learn about the one and many, about the concept of one and many very easily. Here are some phrases I have written here. A flight of birds. A flight of birds mean to say here not a one birds, there are many words, many birds are there. So what would be a specific word of to clear the meaning of birds? झुंड. It's called झुंड. Group में एक से ज्यादा. So here is a flight of birds. मतलब परिंदों का एक बड़ा सा झुंड. So we can read it and we can proper tell it in this flight of birds, in this phrase. So let's start, learners, who will match the picture with the words. Now here is who has a strip of this phrase, a flight of birds. Who has the strip of this phrase? Sana, you have. Here is Sana, match the strip with the phrase. And who has the picture of matching picture? Here is the matching picture of birds. Everyone will read it loudly. Start. Birds mean a flight of birds means in Urdu परिंदों का झुंड. एक से ज्यादा परिंदे जहाँ होते हैं उसको हाँ ये फ्रेज के साथ बताया गया है. फ्लाइट कहते हैं. नाउ जाओ अपनी जगह पर. टेक योर पोजीशन. Who will come next? A flock of geese. Here. Come here. And here is the strip of a flock of geese. Who have the picture of matching picture of a flock of geese? Here is the geese. Here is the matching picture of geese. So please read aloud. Nice. Go there. In this way, we will continue the practice to our learners for the concerning of the matching picture and the words. We will take practice to our learners to make them expert in that activities. In this way, our learners can learn very easily and execute and they learn the inner parts of the words and how could be it easy the phrase of English, how could be it easy to read it it's a very easy and very specific way. We will go at that way, so our learner will very expert in reading and any kinds of structure of English. Now, who will come forward? The third one, a flock of sheep. A flock of sheep. Flock means झुंड. हाँ, क्या नाम? उज़ैब. हाँ, मैच. स्ट्रिप. फ्रेज स्ट्रिप. फ्रेज स्ट्रिप जिसके पास है वो सामने आओ और पढ़ेंगे उसको. क्या है आपके पास? से लाउडली बोलो. A bundle of. हाँ. Alfaz, stand up and read the strip.
A cloud of people.
Nice.
A flight of birds. A team of players. Stalk of colors.
Sit down.
A bouquet of flowers. A flock of geese.
A herd of cattle.
A bunch of geese.
A grove of trees.
A group of children. Pack of dogs. A pack of dogs. A bunch of grapes.
A herd of sheep.
Good.
Bundle of sticks.
और say loudly.
A bundle of sticks.
Nice.
A colony of ants.
शाबाश.
A flock of sheep.
शाबाश.
A herd of cattle.
Nice.
A flock of geese.
Good.
A team of players.
Nice.
A bunch of grapes.
Nice.
A bundle of sticks.
Nice.
A flight of birds.
Very good.
A bunch of kites. A bunch of flowers.
Nice. हाँ.
A row of trees. A pack of dogs. A swarm of bees. A group of children.
Nice.
A bundle clothes. A crowd of people.
हाँ. So, dear learners, we can conclude the activity of group activity. अगरचे हमारी स्कूल का वीडियो आपको पसंद आए तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले. थैंक यू.